Okay, very good afternoon here from Master the Markets, Rishi Patel, co-founder, Master the Markets, the Elite Traders Conference and the Traders Open Day. Very warm welcome to this video on position sizing, specifically for Saxo Trader, with Saxo Bank, who we have as our preferred partner at this time for executing our trading positions. And I appreciate quite a few of you who have been coming back to me a little confused about the layout on the Saxo platform, because it is, of course, a little bit used to what we were using before. But of course, Saxo Bank is a much more professional platform, and they've also just released this application here, which is Saxo Trader Pro, it's superb. Basically, it's one of the best charting packages that I've seen in a while. And the fact that it's got everything integrated into one place, which is sort of execution of orders, it's also got everything inside it basically that we need. And what we're currently looking at is a layout of the actual Saxo Trader platform. I've customized it actually so that it fits my own layout. You can see at the top I've got a watch list of the 6 currencies that we're trading in the live trading room. So it's called Rishi's List. You can see the 6 currencies there, and you can see I've linked these windows. They're all in blue here. You can see that. So every time I click on a different instrument, so if I click for example on the dollar yen, then it changes my trade ticket here to dollar yen and the graph here as well to dollar yen as well. And I'll just make that a daily chart. There you go. And so that's a daily chart of dollar yen. I've got my trade ticket in the middle, and of course the watch list on the left. So you can experiment with the layout, download Saxo Trader Pro, get in touch with Aaron at Saxo Trader if you have any questions. But I'm going to show you how to place an order, or how I place orders for myself. And I'm going to do it using my trade journal here, which is of course the LTM Journal 2018. Let's take a look at 2 trades that are running at the moment. So we've got dollar Swiss franc and we've got the dollar yen on liftoff 3.0. So I've got 2 trades running across 2 different trading models. I'm going to place the trades as I would place them if I were doing this for real. So I'm going to show you a demonstration on a trading account. So here I'm going to I need a couple of key things before I kick off. So the first thing that I need is this spreadsheet here. This is the Saxo Trader position sizing calculator. So you need that spreadsheet. That's number 1. We're going to look into getting this made into a clearer format actually, so it's a little bit easier to use, but we're going to use this spreadsheet. I've got Saxo Trader Pro open as well. I don't need this necessarily, I just need this window, that's it. So I've got Saxo Trader Pro open as well, and I'm going to need of course my live trading journal. This is where I'm logging all of my real-time entry, stop loss and target. Don't forget, everything that we're doing here is purely for educational purposes, and you shouldn't look at this as advice in any way, shape or form. It is of course being done, as I say, purely for educational purposes, and these are my personal trades that I'm showing you just here. So let's look at placing a trade on dollar Japanese yen. I'm going to place it according to my exact specification here, 1.0668 my entry, stop 1.0753, and the target 10413, and I've got 85 pips of trade risk just there. So let's go ahead and place this actual trade. So what do I need? Let's go to, first of all, I need to work out what my position size is going to be. So the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to the position size calculator here. Okay, I'm going to give you a demonstration as though we were trading a £50,000 trading account. So this is £50,000 in this trading account. Just there, you can see I'm using this box first of all. So the first thing you need to do is select the current box. Because I'm position sizing dollar yen, I need to use this box. If I were position sizing one of these currencies, then of course I'll use this. If I'm position sizing Swiss franc or euro yen, these boxes as per. So very important with this position size calculator, don't touch anything that's in blue. The things that are in blue are automated with formulas, and they're being updated in real time, so there's nothing to touch there. The only things you need to change if you're using the spreadsheet is the boxes in green. Okay, is the boxes in green. So actually I made a mistake there because I changed £25,000, which was the box in blue, but I shouldn't do that. I should change it just here, because if I change it here, it will update across the board automatically. So that's very important. Don't change the boxes that are in blue. Okay, so then what's my trade risk on this particular trade opportunity? I'm going to take a 1% trade risk, which is represented by typing in 0.01, so 1% trade risk. And what is then my number of pips of risk? Well, I switch back to the journal. I looked in the pips risk column. You can see 85 pips is the dollar Japanese yen opportunity. 85, there you go. And that's $89,221. Basically, that's the position size according to the Saxo Trader account. So what I need to do now, go across to the platform, okay, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go to stop, because this is the type of opportunity that we're placing. I'm selling dollar Japanese yen, so if you look here, according to my analysis, this is a short order, okay. My entry is 106.68, 106.68, so here we go, is my entry just there. Good till closes duration. Don't need to tamper with anything there. Now this is the key box here. It's asking me for the US dollar position size. Okay, so how many dollars am I going to sell here? And of course the answer is given to us just here, 89,221. 89,221. Okay, and that's it. And then I can add a take profit and a stop loss, so I can put in my stop just here, my take profit and my stop. So what's my target? Of course, as you all know, take profit and target is exactly the same thing. It's where I want to take my money, or it's the target of the trade. 104.13. The stop loss, where is it going to go? Just here. Sorry, wrong spreadsheet. So stop loss is 107.53. Okay, and that's it. And then all I need to do, of course, is place order, and it will give me a summary. And if you're happy with the summary, then all you do is go ahead and click confirm, and that will place the sell order for you. It will then appear under orders under this tab just here in your Saxo Trader Pro account. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Job done. Let's go ahead. I'm not going to execute that because I've already got the dollar yen running, but this is a live example of what you can do just there. Let's do another order, which is dollar Swiss franc, which is also a sell order, I believe. Let me just click over to the money bars cash. There you go. This is dollar Swiss franc. Our entry into the order here, 0.9574. So that was my entry, 0.9574, the sell order. The stop 9654. Go across to Saxo Trader, click on dollar Swiss, scroll across to stop. It's a sell. The position size, let's work out the position size. So again, I'm going to the dollar Swiss box over here, and again it's giving me a £50,000 account. That's fine. I'm going to risk 1% of my trading account just there. What is the pips risk? It is 80 pips of risk here on this dollar Swiss franc. So let's go ahead and key 80 into the spreadsheet, and it tells me I need a position size of $84,926. So 84,926. There you go. And of course you put in the entry order, the price you're going to sell at, the price you're entering the trade. In this case, I'm selling the trade at 9574. It's good till close, and again all I do is go ahead and click place order, and if I'm happy with the summary, then I'll go ahead and confirm it just there. And that's pretty much it. Job done, and there's nothing else actually left for me to do. The order will be placed, and when of course the market triggers that particular price level, in this case you can see 9574 is what I want to sell the market. So 9574 is Actually, we're hovering around 9574 at the moment. If you look very carefully, that's where the current price is at the moment. So we're hovering around the entry order on that one. So that's the key thing to note just there. 9574 would be 9574 would be my entry order, and we're hovering around that price just there. You can see with 9573. So that's pretty much it for this video. This is the basic explanation on how to use the Saxo bank account. If obviously you're using a buy order, then all you need to do is stop again, but you're just going to change to buy, and you're going to put the relevant prices in. Nothing changes on the position size calculator, everything stays consistent, and that's pretty much it. Of course, when we update and upgrade the spreadsheet, we'll provide an updated video as well. That's pretty much it for me for now in terms of how to position size on Saxo. If you have any questions, then of course don't hesitate to get in touch. You can use the live trading room to ask any key questions. Until the next time, stay disciplined, follow your plan, and trade like a master. Bye for now.